Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to pin a post on Facebook. Friends, if you want to pin your favorite post on Facebook, then you simply need to open Facebook app. In your Facebook app, press on your profile icon. Here you need to scroll it little down. Now for example, if I want to pin this post, then you simply need to press on these three dots and here you need to press on pin post. Now this post is pinned on your Facebook and it will appear on the top of all the posts irrespective of its date of posting. So friends, like this you can very easily pin a post on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.